Welcome to the Insights Hub Edge Analytics video series, where we will present the various functionalities and use cases of this application. In this video, we will give you a brief overview of Insights Hub Edge Analytics and the benefits of working with it. In today's competitive industrial landscape, ensuring the reliability and efficiency of your equipment is very important. Condition monitoring offers a proactive approach to maintenance that can significantly benefit your operations. Here are just a few examples. Enhanced equipment reliability to minimize unexpected downtime and to keep your production line running smoothly. With knowing the health of your equipment, you can achieve cost savings by reducing unplanned downtimes. Extended equipment lifespan by regular monitoring and knowing when to do timely maintenance. Data-driven decisions with valuable data on the performance and health of your machinery. To achieve this, in condition monitoring, it is often required to perform advanced analytics, high-frequent data processing, and correlation of different data sources directly on the factory level. Insights Hub Edge Analytics can do all these things and even more. But what is Insights Hub Edge Analytics in detail? It is a software-as-a-service application that perfectly combines the advantages of cloud and on-premises capabilities. Integrated with various Siemens on-premise hardware devices, it collects and pre-processes high-frequency data locally. Through the cloud interface, users can centrally manage all operations and access processed, and in the cloud saved results, gaining valuable insights into machine health status and production process performance. Insights Hub Edge Analytics can be used for high and low frequency data by connecting it through a wide range of supported protocols. To collect this data, you can use the Siemens condition monitoring hardware, as well as hardware from various other manufacturers like IFM. Design custom key performance indicators use a large library of analyzing functions. This allows for tailored monitoring and analysis based on specific operational needs. It pre-processes data directly on site in local edge devices. This includes filtering, aggregating, and analyzing data before sending the results to the cloud. Combining Insights Hub Edge Analytics with the Insights Hub Asset Health and Maintenance app, you unlock the full potential of condition monitoring capabilities in Insights Hub. Nicely integrated as the edge-based vibration analysis module within Asset Health and Maintenance. It offers a state-of-the-art condition monitoring solution for rotating equipment and other low and high-frequency data. This provides comprehensive equipment insights and establishes a solid foundation for effective maintenance strategies. In addition to that, the Insights Hub Edge Analytics offers a wide range of other capabilities that you can explore in the upcoming videos.